how to open an international TikTok account for free without you using VPN and without you paying anybody a single dime to open this international account for you. In my previous video where I talked about how much TikTok paid me for my views, I got comments in that video of people asking me how they can create an international account, which is the reason why I am making this video. In case you want to create an international account for yourself, make sure you watch this video to the end. Do not skip any part of this video, because if you miss any step while trying to create this international account, you might end up creating another TikTok account that will never be monetizable. Okay, let me also remind you of a few things you need to know before getting yourself an international TikTok account. First of all, TikTok monetization is only available for 5 countries, which is UK, US, Canada, Italy, Germany, and South Korea, right? But as creators living in Africa and living in Nigeria, we are often advised to open a UK TikTok account. To get a UK TikTok account, why? Because the identity verification and the withdrawal, the earning withdrawals are very, very simple compared to other countries. So in this video, like I said, I'll be showing you step by step on how you can get yourself an international TikTok account in less than 2 minutes using just your phone and no VPN whatsoever, and not paying anybody a single dime, anybody that lives abroad, a single dime for them to help you to open this UK TikTok account. Now make sure you follow all the steps I'm about to show you now on how to open this TikTok account. So the first thing you need to do is to create a Gmail account. Get yourself a new email account, Gmail account that you have not used to open any TikTok account before. But if you already have an email, you can just skip this step and just move on to the second step. So when you open your TikTok account, you click on my profile. Then depending on the phone you are using, the interface of your TikTok account might change depending on the phone you are using. So I'm using a smaller phone, that's why my interface, so it doesn't really matter. Click on these 3 dots upwards on the right side of your account. Then you click on settings and privacy. You scroll up till you see switch the login part where they say switch account or logout. You click on this switch account. Then I'm trying to create a new account, like we said. I'll now click on add account. I'm trying to add a new account. So this part now where you see sign up for TikTok. This is the very, very part where you need to pay closer attention to, because if you make mistake on this part, we are definitely going to create another Nigerian TikTok account or Cameroon TikTok account or South African TikTok account that you will never ever get monetized. You will never be able to monetize that account. So now you go down towards the ending of this interface. You see where they said by continuing with an account located in Nigeria. You see the part where we want to change now is this place they wrote Nigeria, because I am in Nigeria. If you are in Cameroon or you are in South Africa or you are in Ghana, you are going to see Ghana, that place now, right? So now I'm going to click on that Nigeria, because we're trying to change our location. We are trying to create an international account. So I'll click on that Nigeria. It will now bring out different regions that I'm about to select from. I want to create a UK TikTok account. So I'm going to search for UK, United Kingdom. You see, it comes up. I'll now click on the United Kingdom. See this part, if you miss this part, trust me, you just created yourself another account that you will never monetize. I'll click on the continue button. Then I'll put in my birthday. After inputting your birthday, you click on continue. See where you're supposed to put your phone number. And because I'm trying to create an international account, I don't need a phone number, because if I want to put in my phone number, now that means I'll go and start looking for a UK phone number, or I'll go and start looking for a US phone number, Italy phone number, those kind of things. And you don't want to be in that situation. So what you need to do now is to use your email. Use that brand new email that you created to create this account. So now that I've input my email, I'll click on continue. Create the password of your choice. You continue. So now I'm supposed to verify my email address. So they're going to send me an email. I'm going to get an email from TikTok to verify my TikTok account. Okay, now when you open your email address, you may or may not see the verification code, because it might not be on your email inbox. So you have to go and check your spam messages to see if it's there. So once you verify your email address, you can either verify it by inputting the code directly from yourself, or you can click the verify email that you see in your email box. Then you put any nickname of your choice. Let me use Juliet, my name. Then you continue. So now we have successfully created a new international TikTok account. So now to verify that this account is actually a UK TikTok account, all we need to do now is to go to this three button again that you see here. Click on TikTok Studio. It's going to open to your TikTok Studio. So when this opens up, you see analytics, you see monetization, and in the monetization part, you will see subscription, TikTok shop seller, the creators rewards program, which is what we are trying to get for TikTok to start paying us for our video views. You see work with an artist, creators marketplace, and all the other monetization program that is on TikTok. So for you now to verify, like, okay, this TikTok is now an international account, is a UK TikTok account. What you need to do is click on settings and privacy. You click on your account. When you click on this account, you click on the account information. Account information. So you see your email address and you also see account region. In that account region, you're supposed to be seeing United Kingdom because we just created an international TikTok account. Your account region is initially set based on the time and the place of registration. And that's how you create yourself an international TikTok account for free without using VPN or paying anybody to do that from you from abroad. So now you have no excuse whatsoever not to be posting your content on TikTok. So rush now, create your account and start posting your content. Don't just be posting content for free now. You need to start getting paid for your creativity, okay? And that brings us to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful in any way, please make sure to give this video a massive thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for, beginner tips like this or relatable videos like this. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.